Today, I'm going to share with you 3 pressure points to relieve your coughing. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification if you haven't done so. The first pressure point is in between your collarbone, right in the center under the throat notch. It's the 22nd point of the conception channel called 天突. The way that I like to do that is to make counterclockwise circles and then make clockwise circles. So we'll be here for a couple minutes. Counterclockwise is when you watch me, you can see it's counterclockwise. That's the direction you're looking at. Remember to drop your shoulders, soften your belly. I yawn whenever energy shifts. And unclench your jaw. Okay, now we make a clockwise circles. I do need this myself. The second pressure point is right in the center of your chest, right in between your 2 nipples. It's the 17th point of the conception channel, which runs from the pupil bone straight up the center of the body, and it's called a 膻中. I like to use the knuckle to just massage that. You can go up and down, or left and right. If it hurts, back off. Don't do it too hard. If it's not hurting, then you can go a little bit deeper. On your own, you can work on this point 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I'm going to stay on the shorter side. This point is also one of the influential points in the body. There are 8 influential points. Each influential point is also known as a systemic point. Each one takes care of one area of the body. This one is for the qi. I also have some videos, short videos on coughing, dry cough, sore throat, and scratching throat. Check them out. The last point, it's not exactly one point, it's actually your eyebrow. Put your thumbs on your temples and then use the index finger, the side of the index finger to scrape it. We'll do this one 50 times. I think it's a lot to do 50 at one sitting, so I'm going to pause and talk for a minute and then we'll go back. This particular point is really good to do if you have any kind of headache, you have fever, or just simple coughing or issues related to cold or flu. It helps to move those symptoms through you faster. So now let's go back, thumbs on the temples, and just scrape your eyebrow. You can do that with a lot of pressure. or with light pressure. I'm going to leave it to you to complete the 50 times. I have a playlist for alleviating cold and flu symptoms. I'm going to drop the link in the description below, so check it out. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Also leave me a comment below on your experience of doing this exercise so that other people can benefit from your experience. See you next time. To your health.